Pop quiz. An adversary in one of your client's cases is in the news for alleged misconduct outside of the claims you've raised in your case. Do you go to the media regarding this most recent round of your adversary's alleged misconduct? You sure do. Hi everyone, my name is Pollock. I am an attorney who helps other attorneys and their clients ethically, strategically, and proactively engage the court of public opinion. In this video, piling on. When you are involved in any case, high profile or not, and you have an adversary in the case, whether it's a defendant or a plaintiff, that is accused of alleged misconduct in some other arena outside of your case, that is an excellent opportunity for you to make your client's case and tell your client's side of the story again. Remember, as an attorney focused on the court of public opinion, you want to take advantage of every opportunity that exists for you to make your client's case and tell your client's side of the story outside of court. Most of the time, that's going to be in connection with developments in your case and your client's case. But there are other times where you can become a go-to person for the media regarding an adversary's alleged wrongdoing. You almost become a subject matter expert on that entity, that person or entity, and their alleged misconduct. A great example of this was during the height of the Stormy Daniels litigation against Donald Trump and related parties. You may recall that anytime Trump, Michael Cohen, or anybody else related to that lawsuit did something, Michael Avenatti was there on cable news and in print and online providing comment about Trump, Cohen, Rudy Giuliani, or somebody else, even when the comment wasn't quite related exactly to the claims he brought in his case on behalf of Stormy Daniels, or the alleged misconduct or the actions that he was commenting on was not related to the case. A funny thing happens if you provide comment enough on alleged misconduct by an adversary. The media starts coming to you proactively and tells you that they think they have a story or they heard a tip about some alleged misconduct. Do you have anything to say about that? Do you have any information that might help them blow out that story and make it into something that they can actually publish and go to the public with? When you become aware of allegations of misconduct or wrongdoing on the part of an adversary in one of your client's cases, it's fairly easy to get the ball rolling with the media. Simply email either the reporter who's covered your case before or email the reporter who has covered that person or that entity before. And once you contact the reporter, simply tell them that you're happy to provide a comment, or you saw this other article, or you heard this thing, and you are happy to provide comment if the reporter so chooses. As I alluded to, sometimes reporters will come proactively to you and say, "Hi, so-and-so, I know that you're already filed a lawsuit against Joe Blow. We've received some tips about some additional misconduct on the part of Joe Blow. Do you care to comment?" And again, I would absolutely care to comment. That's your answer. And really, your job in a comment is not to really get into those new allegations, because that's not your concern. All you want to do is connect the dots between the new allegations and the allegations that you've made in your client's case. You want to use this new set of alleged misconduct this new set of allegations about misconduct to weave that narrative that you've already started weaving in your client's case. Some attorneys don't like to go this route. They feel like it's only appropriate for them to speak on their clients' matters and their clients' cases, or general ideas, general news items that don't involve someone who is also involved in one of their cases. But I think that those attorneys are missing an opportunity to tell their client's side of the story. They're missing an opportunity to further hammer home their position in the case, why the client thinks that they're on the right side of the dispute. And oh, by the way, any attorney who decides to not go this route also wastes a good marketing opportunity. It's another opportunity for the attorney to go to the media and be seen in the public by prospective clients and referral sources as someone who takes on this person or this thing, isn't afraid of that person or that thing, and is vocal on behalf of his or her clients and provides strong and zealous advocacy on behalf of those clients publicly. So again, the answer to that pop quiz question is yes. Whenever you are contacted or you see allegations of misconduct or wrongdoing on the part of an adversary in one of your client's cases, I highly recommend that you go to the media or you answer any incoming media calls about those allegations, comment, do it ethically, of course, don't defame anyone, but really connect the dots between those new allegations and your client's case and take this opportunity, again, to make your client's case in the court of public opinion.